Question number 14. Okay. A standing wave is formed. Standing wave. What do you mean by standing wave? Standing wave means something like this. Like this, right? This is your standing wave. Okay. And then emit sound waves of frequency. A student is walking between two loudspeakers, finds that distance between two consecutive sound maxima is 1.5 meters. I'm sorry, I should have not written this way here. Two consecutive maxima. What is consecutive maxima? Maxima means he hears a large amplitude, right? So which means here it should be like this. It should be like this. It should be like this. Silence, and here it should be like this. It should be like this over here. It should be like this over here. Right? Okay. So the distance between them is 1.5 meter. What is the distance between these two? This is nothing but lambda divided by 2, right? Half a wavelength. Speed of sound is given as 300. Find the frequency. Simple. So what you need to do? Lambda by 2 is equal to 1.5. Lambda should be equal to 3 meters, right? If lambda equal to 3 meters, velocity is given to you. Find the frequency. F should be equal to V by lambda, which should be 300 divided by 3, which should be 100. So the answer is 100 hertz. C.